Hello, today I'll be talking to you about vectors. What are vectors? A vector can be seen as a newer version of the array variable. A vector contains a certain type of data, just like an array would, but it has its own type of functions. To declare a vector, you would put vector, the data type, name, semicolon, and here next up are some functions you can use. So here's the pushback function. It's an essential function for a vector because this is how you input values into a vector. And here you can see that when you use the v.pushback 5, then if you were to output that vector, you would get a 5 at the end of the vector. So another useful function for vectors is the size function. This is useful because, as the name implies, dot size will get you the size of the vector you are using. It's useful for checking to see when you should end the loop and stuff like that. But you have to be careful because dot size will give you the amount of elements in your vector, but your indexes are always going to be -1, that like your last index. Another good function to use is the clear function, and it is used to empty a vector. It is useful when you want to reuse a vector later, or if you want to reset the size of a vector to 0. It's pretty simple as well. You just type in the vector's name, dot clear, and it resets the vector. You can think of it as like an open box that has nothing in it, and you can later store stuff in. So the conclusion is vectors are arrays, but new and improved. Like they have new functions, they're dynamic, they have their own, they can like change in size easier, and you don't have to like worry as much about the size that you set it as. So it's just like a better version, basically. It's kind of like the way strings were to C strings. It's just a newer, improved version. And yeah, thank you.